Hey, this is Reed over at Walser Buick GMC in Bloomington. Today we're going to give you a quick video on how to pair your Android phone to Android Auto in one of our new Buick Enclaves. Here we are inside a 2023 Buick Enclave. We're going to show you how to pair your Android phone to your infotainment screen and utilize Android Auto. First up, click Settings on the screen, add a phone, and then you're going to go to Settings within your Android device, click on Bluetooth pairing, pair a new device, and you're going to search for the My Buick that will show up. Click My Buick. You're going to get a pairing code. Match that with the one on your infotainment screen. Click Pair and Pair. Next up on the screen, continue for utilizing Android Auto. Allow on your phone. And then here it is, Android Auto on your Enclave screen. Again, this was Reed at Walser. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you were able to get that figured out. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to stop by and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.